Yeah, I remember that.
Remember that bitch with the dress?
Mm-hmm.
You know what?
That dumb ass motherfucker.
That joke was funny, yo.
Yeah, it was.
Shit. Yeah, I wish we had a moped running.
Ain't it? Be gone.
What the fuck is it?
Gone, hit the scuba.
Where's it at?
Oh, I put it in the shed.
Why'd you put it in the shed?
Cause, man, look, I got this fucking flashlight in my pocket.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm about to climb a fucking tree.
For real? Climb that son of a bitch.
Climb this tree right here.
Climb that bitch.
I bust my ass, you gonna record it?
Yeah. I got the fucking camera been rolling.
Been rolling.
BR.
Bust my ass out this book.
Yep. It's raining sticks. He's gonna do something stupid. Hold on, man. Let me get the flashlight. Let me get every little piece of this. Come on, I see you.
You see me, America?
I see you, America. This the man, Mount Everest. Watch him fall backwards. I'm gonna.
I would like to get down there.
Oh, all right.
I can't.
Come on down, Alfred Hitch. Whoa! What the f? Y'all saw that live, man. 3D. Whoa! The fuck? Come on down from there. He's back. Back in action. I'll let you people.